Your doors do more than just open and close. They protect your home, improve its energy efficiency, and add to its overall curb appeal. In a place like Des Allemands, where homes often reflect both Southern charm and modern functionality, having doors that work properly is essential. If your doors are aging, damaged, or simply not performing as they should, it might be time to consider a replacement. Here are some common signs homeowners in Des Allemands should look out for. Drafts and rising energy bills. One of the most obvious signs that your door needs replacing is a noticeable draft. If you feel air seeping through even when the door is closed, it's no longer providing a proper seal. Over time, this can force your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. With Louisiana's hot summers and occasional cold snaps, energy efficiency matters. A new door with better insulation can help stabilize indoor temperatures and reduce monthly utility costs. Difficulty opening or closing a door that sticks, scrapes the floor, or requires extra force to close isn't just an inconvenience, it's a red flag. Humidity, which is common in Des Allemands, can warp wooden doors. Frames may shift over the years, causing alignment issues. If adjustments no longer solve the problem, a replacement is likely needed. Modern doors are designed to withstand changes in temperature and humidity, making them more reliable for local conditions. Visible damage, cracks, dents, peeling paint, or water damage are all strong indicators that a door is past its prime. Even small signs of wear can affect the structural integrity of the door. For wooden doors, rot caused by moisture is particularly concerning, as it weakens the frame and creates an entry point for pests. If your door looks visibly worn or compromised, replacing it is not only a cosmetic upgrade but also an important safety measure. Poor security. Your front door is your home's first line of defense. If the door feels flimsy, the locks no longer align properly, or the material has weakened over time, it puts your household at risk. In Des Allemands, where many families value peace of mind and security, ensuring your door is sturdy and secure is critical. Modern doors come with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and stronger materials to provide the protection you need. Excessive noise. If you notice more outdoor noise filtering through than before, your door may no longer be effectively insulating your home. Older doors often lose their soundproofing qualities as they age, while newer doors are designed with materials that reduce outside noise. This is especially beneficial if your home is near a busy street or community area in Des Allemands. Outdated styles. Sometimes, the need for a new door isn't about performance but aesthetics. An outdated door can drag down your home's curb appeal. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want a fresh, modern look, replacing your door can make a dramatic difference. With options ranging from classic wooden finishes to sleek steel or fiberglass, you can choose a style that reflects your personality and enhances your property's value. Water leaks or moisture buildup. If you see water pooling near the base of your door after rainstorms or condensation forming between glass panels, it's time for a replacement. Water intrusion not only damages your flooring but can also lead to mold growth. In Louisiana's humid climate, keeping moisture out is essential for maintaining a healthy home environment. Final thoughts. Doors are often overlooked until they start causing problems, but paying attention to these warning signs can save you from costly repairs and improve your home's comfort, safety, and appearance. If you're noticing drafts, damage, or security concerns in your Des Allemands home, a professional door replacement could be the solution. By upgrading to a new, energy-efficient, and secure door, you'll enjoy peace of mind and boost both the value and charm of your property.